Soroka Medical Center, rumah sakit utama di kota Beersheba dekat Tel Aviv, mengalami kerusakan parah akibat hantaman rudal Iran pada Kamis 19 Juni 2025. Akibat serangan ini tercatat 47 orang mengalami luka dan sejumlah pasien telah dipindahkan ke tempat yang aman. Setelah serangan ini, fasilitas medis ditutup untuk semua pasien, kecuali kasus yang mengancam jiwa. Perdana Menteri Israel Netanyahu marah dan mengecam serangan Iran yang menargetkan rumah sakit. Netanyahu juga berterima kasih kepada Presiden Amerika Serikat Donald Trump yang dukung perang Iran.
אסטרטגי קיומי על המדינה שלנו ולכל אחד מאיתנו יש את התפקיד הקטן. אתם תעשו את הדברים הגדולים, אנחנו ניתן לכם את הגיבוי. זה הכוח שלנו, כולנו ביחד.
Is fighting to remove the nuclear and missile threat aimed at our annihilation. We're targeting military sites. We're targeting nuclear sites. We're targeting missile sites. They're targeting a hospital. In this hospital, there are patients who are immobile. They can't even move. Right next to it is a children's ward, a baby's ward, infants. They target it. They can give this nonsense that they're targeting military sites. What military sites? I know all the military sites in Israel. There isn't a military site here for miles and miles around. They're targeting civilians because they're a criminal regime. President Trump will do what's best for America. I trust his judgment. He's a tremendous friend, a tremendous world leader, a tremendous friend of Israel and the Jewish people. And we will do what we have to do, and we are doing it. We are committed to destroying the nuclear threat, the threat of a nuclear annihilation against Israel.